monsoon. Monsoon climate. Tropical monsoon climate that lies from that the 5 degree to that the 30 degree of latitude. Cameron, in the climate, this is the category of the, but it is lies that is of this category. It means that's about from where? 5 degree to that is about 30 degree. It is the tropical monsoon. Understand? Equatorial climate. It is a tropical grassland, tropical deserts. यदि हामी पाइ चार्ट बनायो भने यसरी यो भइहाल्छ हाम्रो यो इक्वेटोरियल भइहाल्छ ठीक छ इक्वेटोरियल climates. This is that is our tropical grassland. There is a tropical deserts, and this whole are the tropical monsoon. From here is tropical monsoon climate. Monsoon. Understand? Tropical monsoon, that's from 5 degree to that is a 30 degree of latitude that forms. In the chart, if you put there is, you can write like that once here. And it's found where that is in the latitudes. Both it lies in that found in the India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, in Nepal also there is a tropical monsoon climate. Bhutan, Southeast China, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam, the Philippines, the North Australia, North Malaysia, Southeast Africa, Southeast North America, Southeast Brazil, Venezuela, and Central American countries, and the Southeast Asian countries, except the island are the main areas of tropical monsoon climate. Island bag, monsoon climate are found in that from country that lies from between that the 5 to 30 degree of latitudes. There is monsoon climate is found there. Climate of there throughout the year is temperature. Summer temperature is that the 32 degree, but in the winter 15, because the sun falls directly on the opposite hemispheres. अब यहाँ के हुन्छ जब सन यसको डाइरेक्ट फेसमा आउँछ त्यतिखेर 32 डिग्री आउँछ जब यो अपोजिटमा फल्स हुन्छ यसको टेम्परेचर सिधै आधी भइहाल्छ 15 डिग्री हुन्छ therefore the winter is cold here, right? Wind pressure, it means once there is a wind becomes the hot and light and raises up, and the wind pressure is low. So first monsoon blows from that is a high pressure to the sea to the low pressure of the land. What is there is a when sun rays falls on the earth? It's that the pressure of the air is heated, or air is heated, and the air heated, then it goes up, rises up. When rises up, then the pressure of the air is what's up? Decreases. Whereas that the sea is the longer, we are affecting what's that sir? Distance about the distance from the sea. No, distance from the sea, not. Last one, what word? Distance from the sea. Distance from the sea. And that we discussed that the sea wind and that the land wind. What was it? When the sun rays fall there, the pressure of the air is decreased on the land. When it is whereas that the sea, pressure of the wind is high. The wind that blows from that the higher pressure to the lower pressure. Wind always blows higher pressure to the lower pressures. Wind that the higher pressure is moisture wind comes to that is our hot areas, lower pressures. Yes, that time of coming that from the high pressure to the loss that the evaporation and condensation process is there. Like here that is our cycling. And when it comes in hot, again that the water to rain, rain to evaporate, this water process is the process of rainfall. And what's that? The clouds, rainfall, whatever there is, this is in the science like you learn there. Sea, and that's about the annual rainfall of this seas here varies from the place to place. It's not the same there in the to the coastal parts of the windwards sides of the mountains receives the high rainfall. Yeah, mountain coastal. This is the blockage of the wind, and there is the rainfall is high. And low wind pressures. You can say that in the winter the land surface rainfall is unreliable, and fluctuates. It's not a fluctuation. Fluctuates from year to year. Some year that the heavy rainfall, some year the less. It depends on that how the monsoon is active. Monsoon कतिको एक्टिभ हो त्योमा डिपेन्ड पर्छ. कहिले धेरै पानी पर्छ, कहिले थोरै पर्छ, कहिले ठिकठिकै पर्छ. त्यो यो फ्लक्चुएट भइरहेको छ. In winter, the land surface has high wind pressures and the sea has a low wind pressures. So it's called that so the wind blows from the land to the sea. In summer, what's that summer? Air pressure on the land is degree less, low, whereas at the sea the high. In the winter, there is a air pressure to the land is high and to the sea there is a low. So there is a in the winter air blows to the land to sea. In the summer sea to the land. This is here and causes the rainfall also. As the rainfalls is heavier in the monsoon summer than in winter, the climate is also called as the summer rain type of climate. Storms cause a little rain in winter. In the tropical monsoon regions, there are the three seasons, that are hot, dry, summer, hot, moist, rainy season, cool, dry, winter. This is the three types of season is here in the tropical monsoon climate has vegetations. Of course, where there the good rainfall and the rainforest is there. Among rainfalls, where the rainfall is over 200 centimeter, there are the evergreen equatorial type of climates, dense forest there is, right? Where the rainfall is there, it fluctuates, or in different place, different. Of course, there is a vegetation is rich here, right? It's the rainfall types of, and the cheap trees, that the rubber, cinchona, bamboo. These are the cinchona that found in that is of China, Chinese forest. It's also rich, and the bamboo is also there. Where the rainfall is 100 centimeter to that the 200 centimeter, there are the deciduous rainfall, deciduous forest. In the deciduous forest there is a, and trees shade their leaves in winters, shade which that the fall down. Among the main species of the trees found there are the teak, sal, sisal, walnuts, and chestnuts. And the areas with less than 100 centimeter rainfall have the tall grasses, thorny bushes, and shrubs. Shrubs there are shrubs. Thorny there is where the less rainfall is there. The bushes there is a. Animals that found there is a, like here that the herbivorous and the carnivorous, both there is a tiger, elephants, spotted deers, rhinos, lions, leopards, boars, etc. These are the wild animals, and the domestic animals are also kept. There is a cow, goat, donkey, ponies, and so on. That the animals also kept at the domestic. Yeah. Here is given some tropical climate zones in the comparisons.